Chapter 7. Let us type. Knowing the keyboard.
A keyboard helps you to type on screen as a pencil helps you to write on paper. Numbers, alphabets and symbols are printed on the keys of the keyboard. We will learn about the following keys. First, alphabet keys. Second, numeric keys. Third, cursor control keys.
Caps lock key.
When the caps lock key is on, we can type in capital letters.
Space bar key.
The space bar key gives a gap every time it is pressed. It is the longest key at the bottom of the keyboard.
Enter key.
The enter key when pressed while typing will send the cursor to the new line.
Backspace key.
The backspace key is like an eraser. Whenever you type something wrong, this key is used to erase it.